Okay, welcome back. We're still working with this histology reconstruction project that we had last time. Now I'm going to show you how segmentation labels appear on an entire stack of images. So I've loaded the entire stack here. This is way too many images to deal with at once, so what I'm going to do is actually just hide everything first and just view one image. So here's the second image in our stack. The S key puts on our segmentation labels. So let's just go to the next one. That's a little bit too busy. I went down here. There we go. So here we have segmentation labels for some of the hippocampal subfields. In case you're an expert in hippocampal neuroanatomy, just be warned that this is a preliminary segmentation of the subfields. This is not a final segmentation. So you can view all of the segmentation labels concurrently in the orthogonal views by doing the following. Show all labels. And then, even if our slides are invisible, or say we only have our MRI image loaded, we can zoom through the entire stack and view our segmentation labels in 3 dimensions. You can also turn off the opacity of any slide and view labels directly on the MRI or on top of each other without the MRI. Here I've loaded 3 concurrent segmentations to show how well they overlap. And again, you can view all of the segmentation labels in 3D on the orthogonal sections. This gives you a nice indication of how good alignment is between slices. If you happen to be working on difficult to align regions that aren't necessarily aligned with the horizontal and vertical axes, you can also rotate your crosshairs to view alignment along any arbitrary axis. And of course, going into segmentation mode, you can change your segmentation label IDs, shown in the combo box, and you can append any description that you want, or change the colors. You can also delete unused segmentation labels, such as these ones of entorhinal cortex, and add a new label. So let's add a new label with maroon. I'm going to call it new label. And then on this slide, we can segment with that new label. As I showed in a previous video, you can change the fill opacity and opt to hide vertices and borders, just to give things a cleaner look. You can also move segmentations around. I just accidentally moved the CA3 segmentation label around, and you can change their ordering on the view. So here I put it behind the other ones. I'll bring it to the front. Okay, thank you very much. Next, I'm going to show you how to export your reconstruction project as a 3-dimensional nifty image that anyone can view without using HistoloZee.